Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to check the goals on the Dragon City application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And you will go to the list button at the left side on the screen. And here you can find the recommended goals and all goals. And you can check this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.